Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a triangle pattern in Affinity, step by step. Alright, let's get started. Go to File, New, and create a new composition. I'm using 1000 by 1000 millimeters, but you can use any size you want. Click Create Document, make sure you're working in the vector persona now, go to View then Guides, and select both horizontal and vertical guides. This helps us keep everything centered. Select the pen tool and draw a simple triangle. Set the stroke to none and choose any fill color you like now. Select the Move tool, then go to the settings and enable Transform Origin. You'll see a small dot. This is the rotation center. Drag it exactly to the middle of your composition. Now press Enter to open the Move and Duplicate panel. Turn on Duplicate Set. Copies to 3 and Set. Rotation to 90 degrees. Click OK. Now we have our tile. Go to File, Export. Choose PNG. Make sure it's set to whole document and export your triangle tile. Now, go to File, New again, and create a new composition. Take the rectangle tool, set both fill and stroke to none, and draw a rectangle that covers the entire canvas. Now pick the Vector Flood Fill tool. In the settings, choose Set Bitmap. Select the tile we exported and click once on the composition. This instantly creates your pattern. And finally, you can adjust the pattern size by holding Shift and dragging to scale it however you want. That's it. A simple and clean triangle pattern made in Affinity. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.